Hello, welcome back. This is just a quick look at the new iFlight CineFlow 5 with the 04 air unit built into it. It's a 6S version of the quad, and because I'm going to be using it with my TBS Tango 2 controller, this one has Crossfire built into it. And here in my other hand is the more well-known iFlight Nazgul Evoque, the 5-inch, with the older version of the DJI air unit built into it. This is the 4S version. So these are both 5-inch quads, and the iFlight Evoque is using a more traditional frame setup with the squashed X frame style, while the newer CineFlow 5 has the dead cat style frame, so no props are in view while flying. This just arrived earlier today, so I haven't had a chance to do anything more than get it out of the box. I did want to give you a quick size comparison between the 5-inch, again, Nazgul Evoque, and the CineFlow 5. Again, these are both 5-inch quads. The CineFlow 5 is bigger and is heavier in size. You can kind of see that here. I put both quads on the scale, and the Nazgul Evoque came in around 446 grams without the battery or an external camera mounted to it, while the CineFlow 5 came in around 498 grams or 52 grams heavier than the Evoque. Now, I really think the CineFlow 5 is going to make a nice addition to my lineup. A little added weight should make it really nice to handle and a bit better in the higher wind conditions. And with the 04 system built into it, the dual antenna setup, I'm certainly expecting better range penetration when I compare it to the Evoque, which is also a really nice 5-inch quad. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I do a lot of flying around the beach, so I'm looking forward to some nicer weather so I can get some test flights in. This week, it's expecting to be sub-zero temperatures here in New Jersey, so I'm definitely not going to be testing it this week or anytime soon. And that's it for now. I still have to bind everything up to the controller TBS Tango 2 that I have here, double check all my switches, make sure that's all set up correctly. Just letting you know that I have this quad in my lineup, and I'll be doing some testing once the weather warms up just a bit. Little too cold out there for me right now. I'm sure you guys are getting the same cold weather where you're at. So if you have any questions about this quad, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Again, it just came in today. All I had to do when I got it out of the box was strap on the dual antennas here, make sure the props are put on properly. Again, I got to bind it. I got the TBS, again, Tango 2 controller, so I have the Nano Crossfire built into this. And that's it for now. So I'll keep you posted and let you know what I think.